Professional development shouldn't feel like another box to check, or a one-size-fits-all workshop that's forgotten by Monday morning. At Solved, we bring job-embedded coaching directly to your school. Our 40-plus expert coaches partner with educators through co-planning, classroom modeling, and same-day feedback that strengthens instruction in real time. Whether your focus is data-driven literacy, student discourse in math, or strengthening instructional leadership, every coaching plan is tailored to your school's goals, context, and student data. Throughout the coaching cycle, we revisit the data together to measure progress, refine our approach, and ensure every step moves your school closer to its goals. The result? Stronger instructional practice, measurable student growth, and CTLE hours earned through meaningful, job-embedded learning. Let's build a coaching plan that moves your school forward. Visit solvedconsulting.com to schedule your free consultation today.